Hello friends, myself C. Ashwini Sonone. Today we are going to discuss about the official notification which Institute of Chartered Accountant released today for July 2020 CA exams. So, what is the notification all about? The notification is giving choice to the students to decide for themselves whether they want to apply for the July exams or opt out of the July exams. Now, let's analyze both the options. The first option is opt out option. The opt out option is to be finalized by filing a declaration between 17th of June 2020 to 20th of June 2020. The institute on its official website will release a declaration on 17th of June. The students who want to opt out of the July attempt need to file the declaration and submit it in order to remove their name from July attempt and keep November attempt as their first attempt. Yes, you heard it right. If you opt out of the July attempt, then November attempt will be considered as your first attempt for your CA exams. Institute has given you 2 days time to decide whether you want to opt out. Now, the thing which you need to take care of is between 17th of June and 20th of June, the institute site might get hanged due to excessive response from students. So what you can do is try to file your declaration in odd times, that is either early in the morning or late in the night. If you forget to file or if you don't file the declaration within the time duration given, then your July attempt may be considered as your first attempt. So you need to file your declaration if you want to opt out. Now we will discuss how you should decide whether you need to opt out. You need to analyze your current situation and the challenges you are facing for writing the July exams. One thing which you need to consider is the area which you have opted for your exam center. If that area is a red zone or a green zone, you can decide accordingly. Your decision should be your sole decision and it should not be determined by what your friends have opted. If your area or state is in green zone, then you should definitely opt for writing your exams in July attempt itself. For those students who are deciding to write their exams in the July attempt itself, Institute has clearly mentioned that it will take the necessary precautions for maintaining your safety at the exam center. Other things which you need to consider to write your exams in July attempt is your state of mind, your current level of preparation. The institute has also given an option for change of exam center to those students who are going to apply for July 2020 exams. The declaration for the same will also be available in the same time duration, that is from 17th of June to 20th of June. The central and the state government's decision will also be considered by institute as in the first week of July to decide whether the exams will happen in July or not. But what you have to decide is whether you want to apply for July exams or want to opt out of the exams. I understand that the institute has given a very less time of 2 days to decide whether you want to opt for your July attempt or you want to opt out, but make sure you make your decision firmly and stick to it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, then please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.